All the best. Most popular product on Amazon.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you the best tips and tools for cooking delicious food. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this amazing meat thermometer that will make your life so much easier. Before we continue, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our upcoming content. And to all our existing subscribers, a big thank you for your ongoing support. So, without further ado, let's get started. This is the Meat Thermometer Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer for grill and cooking. It's a professional digital thermometer that devotes every beginner to becoming a pro. It's a good helper both in outdoor barbecue and home party, and it's the best gift for cooking enthusiasts and the useful kitchen gadget for festival meals. Let me tell you why this thermometer is so awesome. First of all, it has an accurate and sensitive probe that gives you a fast response time of 2 to 3 seconds. You can measure food temperature from ice water to hot fries, with a range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit and an accuracy of plus or -1 degree Fahrenheit. The probe is made of 304 stainless steel, which is safe and food grade, so you can use it on children's and baby food without any worries. Second, it has a scientific instruction and easy-using design. It has a professional meat type and temperature reference on the item body, so you can keep the food tender and juicy. No more undercooked food and stomach hurts. It also has a one-click operation, and you can easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit according to your preference. Third, it has an IP67 waterproof and long-lasting use feature. The IP67 waterproof technology can protect the machine during use and clean and extend its service life. The high-quality body and food-grade probe ensure that it's durable and safe. Fourth, it's a must-have outdoor barbecue gadget. It has a large LCD display for instant reading and a backlit design that can help you read clearly even in the dim outdoor barbecue night or the dense smoking grilling environment. It also has a strong internal magnet and a large hanging hole, so you can attach it to the fridge, oven, or hook for handy storage. And last but not least, it's a perfect gift. It comes in an elegant box, making it the ideal gift for any barbecue or cooking enthusiast or professional. It also includes a handy meat temperature chart and 4 Velcro dots to hang it on the wall for your convenience. So, if you're looking for a meat thermometer that can do it all, look no further than the Meat Thermometer Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer for grill and cooking. You can get it from the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cooking tips and tools. And let me know in the comments what you think of this meat thermometer and how you use it.